In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Shopify account permanently. Now this here is a two-step process. The first thing you need to do is you need to deactivate any of your stores. So this is really important that you do it. In order to deactivate your stores, what you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see settings just like so. Afterwards, you need to go ahead and select on this option that says plan. And if you have any plans at the moment, then you will need to go ahead and press on cancel plan. And that is basically going to deactivate your store. Now, whenever you do this, it is going to suggest something called pause and build, which is another plan that keeps limited access for a reduced fee instead of a full deactivation. So that is another option that you guys have as well in case you don't want to permanently delete it. It really is up to you. So really, you just want to do whatever is best for you and your need. So once you're 100% sure you want to deactivate your store, go ahead and just press on deactivate, and then you're going to receive a confirmation email. Your subscription is canceled and you will lose access to the admin dashboard and the billing will stop. Okay, so by default, Shopify data is going to be retained for 2 years, allowing reactivation by logging in, choosing a plan, and resubscribing. So even if you regret doing this like 6 months down the line, you can still go ahead and get all your information back. But if you're 100% sure that you never want to make your Shopify store ever again, then what you could also do is request permanent erasure of your account and data. So what you need to do is you need to go to this website over here, privacy.shopify.com, right over here, and basically you want to go ahead and select on this option that says erase my data if you're 100% sure that you want to erase your data on the spot. So it can process up to 30 days, and this erases all personal data from your Shopify shops and accounts permanently, and it is not recoverable. So if you want to delete your Shopify store and your data permanently, this is what you would need to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.